Today is the day you're going to learn how to make people cry. It's actually quite easy and a lot of fun. But there are many common mistakes that you should be sure to avoid. The first one is forgetting about gravity. Like everything else, when tears fall, they go down, regardless of the way the head is angled. Now here's a quick eye painting I did that we can draw tears on. The first thing to consider is how when people are crying, their eyes look extra shiny. So let's give these eyes some shine. This is more effective when there is shine on both the iris and white areas of the eyes. Make sure the white of the eyes isn't too bright so that the shine on top shows clearly. You should always make the whites of the eyes darker than you think they should be. Now we can move on to the actual tears. Beginner artists tend to make tears blue, but in reality, water isn't blue, but clear. So generally, when you draw tears, they should be a lighter version of the color below. Start by adding a light line just above the lower eyelids. This is tears building up in the eyes before they fall down the face. Then, take an even lighter color and give this area a few spots of shine. It's also a good idea to give the tear ducts some sparkle because there's obviously going to be some tears there as well. Next up is adding some tears running down the face. Once again, remember that this should be a lighter version of what is below, not blue. You can start the tears just about anywhere above the lower eyelid, and one for each eye typically looks good. Also make sure that, while the tears should be going down, they should follow the shape of the face. A perfectly straight line is gonna look a little weird. Add some extra shiny spots, and you can additionally give the skin below the tear duct some sparkle, indicating that that area on the face is wet with tears. I'd say this painting is complete, but before you go, let's look at what happens when the tears reach a person's jawline. At this point, they start to build up before dripping down. This buildup causes the whole shape to look like a very tall hourglass. The thinnest point is in the center. Okay, that's everything. Bye!